Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload a part of your music video on your Facebook fan page as the banner. Alright, so I'm here on Arit's music fan page here, and I'm just going to play a test of an example video that I'm talking about. So Facebook has allowed us to upload videos as a Facebook banner. Before it was just like an image that you could just put up, a static image, but now you can actually put videos, which can be actually really cool, a really cool promotional tool. So she uploaded a snippet of one of her cover music videos. It was Champion by Carrie Underwood, and I'll just play it right now so you guys can get a feel for it. This was actually a sort of teaser video that I did for Instagram, and she altered it a bit to put it on here as the fan page banner. So I'm just playing it again. It plays on loop, so I just paused it for the example, but it's gonna keep playing. Alright, so I'm just going to pause that. Now, when you first land on a fan page with a video playing, it's going to automatically play, but it's going to be muted. So the sound's not automatically going to be there. People need to go in and click the volume button on the bottom right-hand corner to actually hear the sound. But they'll see the video in any case, and it will loop and loop until they like start to scroll down, and then they won't see it anymore. Sorry. I'm just going to mute that there because it's gonna keep going. So as you can see that parts of the video do get cut off, like the top and bottom, but that's okay. It's kind of like an abstract thing, and I'm okay with it being cut off as long as, you know, the main part of the video you can see, which looks cool. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a video. Now you can upload like an entire full-length video, full music video, or just part of one. So we just chose to do the Instagram video where I was teasing this cover video. Now you want to head over to the top left hand corner here and click this. It might say something different, but just click that button there. Now you first need to upload a photo/video, and then after you do that, then you can click choose from videos. Because if you don't do that and you go choose from videos, then there might not be anything there, or there might not be the video that you want. So make sure that you go to upload first, choose your video, and then head over to choose from videos, and then you can choose your video. Now you can see here that Arit uploaded 3 different versions because she had to alter it a bit because she wanted it to start from a certain part of the song. So you might need to upload your video a couple of times to get the right section that you want it to start from. So as you can see, it's a really cool feature, a really easy way to promote a music video or a cover video or a tutorial video. So that is it for this video. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. And if you want to check out this cover music video that Arit did of Champion by Carrie Underwood, you can head down to the description below. I will have the link for you guys. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.